tiger, never back it down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 27. Baby, I'm a rifle, one bite you dead. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars.
What can I say? I need more than desire, more than just a pretty face. So girl, you better walk away. Oh yeah.
Hi everyone, I'm Kashika with MalyNature. Today I will be sharing with you how I make a very simple 3-ingredient hair detangler and a clay hair mask. These two items are very effective for wash days. The detangler doubles as a shampoo or pre-poo. I recommend using it as a shampoo replacement or before shampooing the hair. Apply it to damp hair. Use your fingers or a wide tooth comb through the tresses of your hair. Let it sit for a few minutes before washing it out. The clay mask also has detangling properties, but the thing I love the most about it is how it restores luster and the curl pattern to my hair. I apply it to damp hair in sections, let it sit until the clay hardens a bit, and then I like to wash it out with warm water. My last wash day, I only used these two things. My hair was clean, easy to manage, and my natural curls were popping. So without further ado, let's get into it. And if you like the video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell for more. Let's go. Here I have the 3 ingredients for the hair detangler: Ambunu, marshmallow root powder, and hot water. I used 3 tablespoons of Ambunu. Fun fact, Ambunu is native to Chad and other parts of Africa. The leaves contain saponin, which is a natural cleanser. The slippery gel it forms when contact is made with water makes it suitable for conditioning and detangling the hair. The next ingredient I added is the marshmallow root powder. I used a little over 1 tablespoon for this detangler. Marshmallow root also has conditioning properties and works similar to Ambunu in the sense that it forms a gel-like consistency when mixed with water. It is native to Europe, West Asia, and can be found in parts of Africa. Historically, it was used to treat many ailments such as coughs, sore throat, and ulcers. It has been adopted in cosmetics and is thought to be very effective for the thickening of hair strands, restoring body and enhancing the natural curl pattern of the hair, and promoting hair growth. So if your hair is damaged, then there is hope. I then added a cup of hot water to the herbs and mix them together to ensure the herbs are fully saturated with water. This detangler is versatile, completely natural, and very effective for removing knots and tangles from your hair before, during, or even after washing the hair. I highly recommend that you detangle your hair before applying any kind of shampoo to reduce pressure and breakage. It is perfect for when you're getting out of a protective style. At this point, your hair may be super dry and matted. All you need to do is dampen the hair and apply this from ends to root. It is best to use your fingers to section off the hair and to detangle. You're welcome to use a wide tooth comb as well. However, if your hair is brittle, I recommend just combing through with your fingers if possible. I let it sit for 10 minutes and then run it through a cheesecloth. As you can see, it thickened up almost like a paste. I should have used a larger container, but at the time, these were more accessible, so I rolled with it. Also, I don't know what happened to the part of the video where I squeezed the herbs through the cheesecloth, so I apologize for that. When I squeezed it through the cheesecloth though, I had a strainer sitting on top of the container to catch any residue. It was neat as the mixture formed a slippery gel. This is perfect for detangling. It just slid through my hair as I used my fingers to comb through. Now the cool thing about Ambunu and why I didn't even need to use a shampoo after is because Ambunu is a natural cleanser on its own. I've used it with great success to strengthen my hair and reduce shedding. You will learn more about why it is important for my journey in future videos. The next thing I made was a hair mask with bentonite clay and apple cider vinegar. I used 2 tablespoons of bentonite clay. Now, bentonite clay acts as a deep moisturizing agent for the skin and scalp. It clarifies the hair follicles for water absorption and retention. You can add apple cider vinegar from your local supermarket, such as Walmart. You can even order it online through Amazon. Make sure you get the one that has the mother in it, as that is the good stuff. I just mixed it up as it usually settles to the bottom. I free-handed the apple cider vinegar here, mixing as I go and checking the consistency. I added more vinegar until it got to where I wanted it. I needed it to penetrate the strands of my hair completely, so I did not want to have it too thick. When using bentonite clay, try to avoid contact with any type of metal, such as some utensils, as it is said that contact with metals may result in it being less effective. Apple cider vinegar is a detangling rinse that helps to strengthen the hair, reduce irritation and itchiness, and improves luster. I wanted to give my hair an extra boost as I had it in a protective style for 3 weeks. On my hair care journey, my focus is to strengthen and increase the health of my hair. After being in the protective style, I felt I needed to really do a deep conditioning, clarifying treatment. I did not want to use anything that could potentially dry my hair out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you may have. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Until next time, affirm to yourself, say I am true definition of beauty, and believe that because it is true. See you next time. Bye.
Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground.